the 2004 Volvo XC90. With an automatic transmission, this sport utility vehicle is well equipped. This Volvo features a sunroof, alloy wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include memory seats, leather seats, and heated seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.